Welcome to Jank Kitchen. Mac and cheese number, I don't even know. I lost track at some point, not gonna lie. Today we're doing jalapeno popper macs, which is gonna be the new staple for your potlucks. Hell yeah! Here's our jalapenos, ready to be torched. Make sure they're completely charred on the outside. This is going to do two things: give them a nice light smoky flavor and make the skins easier to remove. They can then be put in a bowl and wrapped with plastic wrap to steam. After 15 minutes, the skin should wipe right off with a towel, and you'll be left with a naked jalapeno. Your jalapenos can have their seeds removed and be chopped into little squares. I'll also slice a small clove of garlic. We can then get our noodles going in a pot of boiling salted water. We want to cook them till just before al dente. Oil them to prevent stickage. We can then move on to our cheeses, starting with 4 ounces of cream cheese, grating 70 grams of cheddar, and cutting some soft mozzarella into cubes for cheese pull. We'll also cook and chop some bacon while we're wrangling our cheeses. And our peppers and garlic can get lightly sauteed in our bacon grease before we add a half a cup of cream. That's mixed with a little bit of cornstarch and chicken bouillon. This mixture can reduce for 3 to 5 minutes. Then we can add our cream cheese and give it a good whisk. We want our cream cheese to come together with the sauce before we add anything else. Once homogeneous, we can add our bacon bits, noodles, and cheddar to the sauce. Feel free to also add some cream if it gets too thick. I'll finish it off with my mozzarella. This can go into a ramekin or a baking dish and get topped with some breadcrumbs that are lightly sauteed in butter, salt, and pepper. We'll then put it in an air fryer or an oven at 375 until golden brown on top. I'm also quickly cooking a jalapeno popper bratwurst. Then I'll pull it out of the oven, slice my bratwurst, and it's ready to be eaten. It's time for the mac. It does just taste pretty much exactly like a jalapeno popper, but I think I like it more because there's more substance to the goop. I think the pasta really soaks some of that up and makes it a little less goopy compared to like a jalapeno popper. This is fantastic. If you were gonna bring this to a potluck or some summer barbecue, I'm sure people would eat this shit up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, subscribe for more mac and cheese.